In a bustling marketplace in the city of Medina, there lived a young boy named Ahmed. Ahmed was fascinated by the stories he heard about the great Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the early days of Islam. He would often listen attentively as the elders shared tales of bravery, kindness, and faith. One sunny day, as Ahmed walked through the marketplace, he noticed a poor beggar sitting alone near the entrance. The beggar's clothes were torn, and he looked tired and hungry. Ahmed's heart filled with compassion, and he approached the man. "Assalamu alaikum," Ahmed greeted the beggar, offering a warm smile. The beggar looked up, surprised to hear such a kind greeting. "Wa alaikum assalam, young boy. How can I help you?" he replied. Ahmed's eyes filled with empathy. "I noticed you're hungry. Would you like to come with me? My mother is an excellent cook, and I'm sure she would be happy to share our meal with you." The beggar's face lit up with gratitude. "That is very kind of you, young boy. I would be honored to accept your offer." Ahmed led the beggar to his modest home, where his mother, Aisha, welcomed them warmly. She prepared a delicious meal of rice, stew, and fresh bread. As they sat together, Ahmed's family learned that the beggar's name was Hassan and he had been struggling to find work to sustain himself. Moved by Hassan's story, Ahmed's father, Khalid, offered him a job at his small shop in the marketplace. Hassan's eyes welled with tears as he accepted the opportunity. Days turned into weeks, and Hassan proved to be an exceptional worker. He was honest, hardworking, and treated customers with respect. News of his integrity quickly spread throughout the community, and soon, more people began to visit Khalid's shop. One day, as Hassan was restocking the shelves, a wealthy merchant named Abdullah came to the shop. Impressed by Hassan's professionalism, Abdullah approached Khalid and offered him a lucrative business deal. Abdullah had been searching for a trustworthy business partner, and he believed Khalid was the perfect candidate. Overjoyed, Khalid accepted the offer and thanked Allah for this unexpected opportunity. He turned to Hassan and said, "This success is not only mine but also yours, my dear friend. Your dedication and honesty have brought us great fortune." Hassan replied with a humble smile, "Allah has blessed us all, and I am grateful for this chance to serve and support my newfound family." As the years went by, Khalid's business flourished, and Ahmed grew up to be a wise and compassionate young man, just like the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Inspired by the stories he had heard, Ahmed continued to help those in need and treat everyone with kindness and respect. And so, the tale of Ahmed and Hassan teaches us the importance of compassion, kindness, and the blessings that come from helping others. Just as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught, it is through acts of goodness that we can create positive change in the world and spread love and peace among all people, regardless of their backgrounds.